Hi, it's Hayley, Dailey again. Today we are gonna start a new group episode. It's Hayley Dailey cooking methods. Today we are going to make the sweet sour taste. That's what I call it. So first on the list, you have the ingredients. We will need 6 blackberries, 5 blocks of ice, 4 kiwis, milk, yogurt, and the yogurt has to be plain and no flavored. And we need a blender, cup, mixing material, etc. These utensils and a cooker. Okay. So first we are going to have 80% of milk and 20% of yogurt. Sorry for the interruption, but now we have to pour it in. The cup has to be clean or else it won't work. It has no bacteria inside. That's why we have to wash it at first. Can you open this? There. And then we pour this. And then for the rest of the yogurt, you can use for later use. Okay, and then for the I'm sorry for the other interruption, but we got a new ingredient, a new thing, a cover. So what we're gonna do, since right after this we have to stir it, that's why it has to be. You have to stir for about 5 or 6 minutes. I'm just gonna stir for about 1 minute because it's going to You can use a stirring machine, but if you don't have one, just stir with your hands. Now we're gonna get a cover. Once like this, we have to get this. It's time for our heater. We put this right in the middle, and then we have yogurt. It has to be for 8 hours. I like to do 20 minutes instead of 8 hours. But once after the yogurt goes off, for example like this, then you press keep warm. And then we have to, how do we start it? A product of the yogurt is somewhat like this. It has to be a little bit mushy, liquidy, and then, I don't want to taste it right now, but it's gonna be Now, right after you make the yogurt, we have to cut the heat. So I already cutted it. So what I do is just get a thing in the center, and then now we have to just like this. Kind of get a spoon and then just mix it around like this. See, 1 kiwi down. And then after this, I like to kind of get that. Okay? And then after this, we are going to use our blender. So now we're supposed to put the yogurt inside the blender. We first are gonna add our yogurt to it. Okay. It might sound disgusting. And then we have to have the ice. Then we have to go and get the sugar. Okay, I'm gonna go get the sugar. Okay, now we have the sugar. We will add the sugar to our thing. So basically this is brown sugar, I think, right? This is brown sugar. And then we'll just add a spoon. I'll just add it. See, I'll add a half spoon later. Okay. And then once you have it, we'll first blend it all together and then we'll add our kiwi, okay? So where did the cat go? So now that we found the cap of this, we are gonna add it. I'm gonna add it. We have to add, wait, no. We have to add the kiwi in the blackberries. And we have to add some. Blackberries and one kiwi should be fine for this little yogurt. But if you want to make like more yogurt, then you have to make more then you have to get more of the kiwi. Okay. Now that we've got it, we have to hide. So now once we've grated it, it should be fine for us to serve and enjoy. But first, we have to get the cup. Okay. This should be. First, let me taste it. It should taste a little sweet, sour, sort of like that. It's supposed to be a little more sour than sweet because we have the kiwi and then to be just a tiny bit of sour, and then you should be able to see some kind of specks of fruit inside of there. But nonetheless, it tastes delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe to Hayley Dailey channels so we can make more Hayley Dailey cooking episodes. And cheers!